Alright guys, so my sister kind of messed up her video and forgot to put turn on the mic when she was filming, so she asked me to do a voiceover on her video, and that's what we're going to do today. So here's the intro. Very nice, very nice. Look down, yes, look down, look back, look up, yeah. So very nice intro with sparkly lights. All right, getting down to business, starting off with some wine. So this is the first time that I see this video, and I'm just gonna go right through it and just narrate over what my sister's doing. So she just started putting on some cream and stuff, um, more cream under the eyes. Let's see what else she's rubbing her cheeks. So I'll just narrate what I see. Hopefully, I'll throw some comedy in there that you guys might like. My opinion. I love my sister, and I've been following her. I'm her biggest fan, so I'll gladly do this for her. So enough talking. Let's get into the video so you guys can enjoy. So right now, all she's done is start putting cream, sipping some wine. Definitely the highlight of the video right now. Um, she's using a beauty blender. I do know that that's a beauty blender, and she put some brown stuff, some concealer or something probably under the eye. You always gotta get under the eyes. A lot of under the eyes, more under the eyes. Uh, under the eyes again. So yeah, definitely make sure you get under the eyes, the cheekbones. Still with the beauty blender, and it looks like she's doing the dabbing technique. She just pats, and oh, now we're rubbing the neck. All right, under the chin, probably under the eye again. Yep, you gotta make sure you get under the eye, the nose. Let's do under the eye one more time. Let's see if we can do under the eye one more time. But right now she's just dabbing. Oh no, okay. Switching scenes to let's see what is she gonna put. Some more thing under the eye. Okay, so there's a lot of emphasis under the eye, right? I think if you get anything out of this video is that under the eye, put stuff under the eye. Okay, so we have uh, white stuff under the eye, right? She's probably saying you can never have too much stuff under the eye. Um, and then you go back with the beauty blender and you start dabbing everything in. Um, yep. Continue to blend just everything in, everything in. Yep. Speed it up, speed it up. It's becoming very white under the eyes, but there's a method to the madness. You'll see. So let's see. Keep dabbing, keep dabbing, keep dabbing, keep dabbing. Get the chin. Yep. So right now you kind of look like a little ghost, right? And then that's what does it say? Nars. Oh, sounds bougie. All right. Under the eye. All right. So a lot of emphasis under the eye, right? Um, just more dabbing. This is not as white. This is probably, oh, there we go. Another sip of the wine. Yep. Uh, then dab, dab, dab between the nose, under the eye. So a lot of emphasis. All right. So another product. This is more powdery, and you use it with those old style powder cotton things. So you just a lot of dabbing. I don't think you ever rub. Maybe you rub in the beginning, but like then after this, you just pat, pat, pat. Honestly, you guys, I don't know what the brand or anything like that, so I'm sure she'll put it in the description or something below. Fancy case, black. Uh, yeah, very nice shiny colors. Ooh, wow, wow. For those who don't know, that's Aria, my little niece, when she says wow. All right, so now you work the eyes. Brown stuff under the eyes, under the eyes. It's like a little brush, light strokes. Uh, okay, yep, still under the eyes. A lot of emphasis on the outer eye, like kind of light. in the inside and darker on the outside. All right, she looks like you got black eye. All right, then you put another different color on top of that previous color. More wine, yes, a lot more wine. Nice nails. All right, more black stuff. So it's like a brown, yeah, in the middle, like in close to the eye, and then gets darker on the outside, and then you use some pencil there to get really into the where you get the gunk of the eye. That's where you want to put the makeup, and then you start. What is that? Yeah, then you kind of work the middle, the inside of the eye, just where all the gunkies would be when you wake up. That's exactly where you want the makeup to be. Um, and then you do the other eye, and then you just, so you start with the one color and you put another darker color, and it looks like the further out you go, the darker it gets. That's probably the theme that I got out of that one. Then you get probably another lighter color. Then you start with the dark bases in the back. It's like a painting, and then then you kind of work your lighter colors um, towards the front of the eye and the center piece of the eye. That makes sense. All right. Then, yep, dabbing the eyes. You use a lot of those colors, she like uses the whole palette basically in one way or another. Let's see. Then you start working the bottom of the eyes. Yep. Uh, then those are just strokes along the bottom of the eye. Consistency. All right. Yep. A lot of rubbing under the eyes. Yep. Let's see. Then you do both sides, and there's still like something under the eyes. I got a feeling that we're not done with under the eyes, but let's work the outer face. Put powder all up on that. Yep, just load it with powder. That one, she's using larger strokes, larger brush. She just like go to town on there. Just you know, it's larger area of your face, so you want to cake that on, and got a lot of good powder in there. Not too much, but you know, then you just kind of brush it, even on the hair. You put the powder on the hair and stuff because the hair becomes part of the makeup. Then you go back and smaller one, right? Not sure what color or anything she's using, but she's doing like a cheek outline. Then you use some cream, and then now you start like contouring the face, and you're making that sleek jawline, and put a little powder on the cheeks. Yes, you see everything's starting to come together now. The under the eyes have been worked, and the cheeks, and she still got the little jawline to work, but she's working just the outer here. I think she's like doing with light color, like some sort of shine or something like that, because she's tapping the nose and doing the side of the eyes, making them a little shiny stuff. So let's see. All right, so now you go in with a tiny, tiny little brush, and then you add a little sparkle inside where you previously put like the little inside of the eyes. Yeah, right there. Cool. And then wow. Oh, then we do the lips. Yep, you do the outline first. Steady hand. All right, then you put some lip gloss or whatever that is. All right. Keep put it on, and then you put another color. So you use two different colors, put one on top of the other. Then keep rubbing, do a little kiss pop. And then the hair. And then the mane comes out, and there you go. All right, so I think we're coming to the conclusion of this video. So I hope you guys liked it.